This video is gonna be the part 2 of a civil document you need to submit to NVC National Visa Center after you file your DS 260, which is an immigrant visa application. If you want to know something about it, just stay tuned and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde, and welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome here. My goal is to help newcomers, permanent resident, and also US citizens regarding the immigration questions, regarding different topics like finance, business, on which we talk about once in a while, and also the more important is to give advice to newcomers to United States of America so they stay out of trouble. But today's video, like I said in introduction, it's about civil document you're gonna submit. I did a part 1 last week. This week is part 2. Those civil documents you need to submit to NVC National Visa Center after you submit your form on DS 260, which is an immigrant visa application. Okay, so the first document we're going to talk about today is going to be military record. So if you're serving in military in any country, you have to submit your military record. Okay, you have to submit that document to NVC National Visa Center. And one thing you have to know, this is you, the intended immigrant, the person who will come to United States of America on immigrant visa, who will submit those documents. Okay, now the second document we're going to talk about today, it's going to be petitional document. Okay, so if you are a parent of the petitioner and you're going to apply for IR5 visa, or you are a brother or sister of the petitioner, you're going to apply for F4 visa, well, what you're going to do, you're going to submit the original. Okay, you have to scan the original or certified copy of the birth certificate of the petitioner. You have to submit that document. But in case you are applying for CR1, IR1, F2A, which are immigrant visa of a spouse of a U.S. citizen or spouse of a permanent resident. Well, if your spouse was married before and and got divorced, well, you have to submit a document of the divorce, which is going to be the final legal divorce decree. In case your petitioner previous spouse died, then you have to submit the death certificate of that person. Or in case that marriage were terminated, were annulled, where you have to submit a document of the annulment. Okay, it's very important. Like I say, you only submit this document if you are the spouse, okay, of the petitioner, who is either a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. All right. The third document I'm going to talk about today is going to be the photocopy of your passport. Okay, so you, the intended immigrant, and any family member, who will come to United States of America with you will submit a photocopy of their passport. So it's going to be just the biographic page, which is where you have your picture, your name, date of birth. No, that's the only page you have to scan and submit it to NVC. Okay, and then the fourth document I'm going to talk about today is going to be police certificate. I know a lot of you guys ask me a question about police certificate. One thing you have to know about police certificate is that if you live in your country of origin when you were 16 and you live in that country for 6 months, at least for 6 months, you have to submit a police clearance certificate of that country. Okay, the second one is if you live in your country of residence for at least 6 months, you will submit a police clearance certificate of that country. The fourth thing I'm going to talk about, if you live in any other country at least 12 months, okay, any other country beside your country of origin or country of residence, where you will submit a police clearance certificate of that country as well. And then the fourth thing you have to know about police certificate is if you were arrested in any country or city, you have to submit the police clearance certificate of that country. Okay, it's very important. In certain countries, the police clearance certificate is valid for 6 months. In certain countries, it's valid for a year. You have to make sure it's not expired before you go to your visa interview. So basically, those are the rest of the civil document you have to submit to NVC National Visa Center after you file your DS 260. In the next video, which is gonna be I-130 process episode number 21, we're gonna talk about different topic. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love and learn something from it. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, hit the bell. If you've been watching my video, you never subscribe, or you are new here, you like what you're seeing, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button or hit this picture over here. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.